in the electrical configuration for the shutoff switches. So this way you'll have a circuit breaker that'll disconnect the power in the event of service or emergency. This is the DC disconnect. This is the switch that needs to be thrown to turn the system actually on, and also thrown off when they're doing any service or while they're doing the installation. This is the bidirectional smart meter. This is what's going to tell how much power is coming into the home and how much is going out of the home from the excess that the solar is producing. Everybody out here just spreading a little bit of sunshine. The SEM Power Crew 7 just finished their installation of the solar panels for our roof. So this system itself is 7.04 kilowatts of electricity and will cover over about 100% of the power for the home. You can get one too. Just go ahead and click the link below and we can get you set up with a free solar assessment. Thanks for checking it out. Everybody go out, spread some sunshine.